Trump to sign historic executive order slashing drug prices trillions in savings ahead. In a move he describes as one of the most impactful in U.S. history, President Donald Trump has announced plans to sign a sweeping executive order aimed at drastically reducing the cost of prescription drugs in the United States. The action is expected to be signed at the White House at 9 a.m. and could deliver significant financial relief for millions of Americans. Posting to Truth Social on May 11th, Trump stated that this new order would address what he called a very embarrassing issue: the long-standing discrepancy between U.S. drug prices and those in other nations. According to Trump, the same medications produced by the same companies in the same facilities are often 5 to 10 times more expensive in the U.S. than elsewhere. For years, Americans have been unfairly burdened by inflated pharmaceutical costs, Trump wrote. Pharma companies claimed high R&D expenses, but those costs were always dumped on U.S. citizens alone. That ends now. He further emphasized that political contributions from drug companies have long shielded them from meaningful regulation, something he claims will no longer be tolerated under his leadership. We will finally do what both parties claimed to support for decades, he added. The executive order is expected to immediately reduce prescription drug prices by 30% to 80%. A central component of the plan is a most favored nation pricing policy, under which the U.S. would pay no more than the lowest price paid for the same drug anywhere in the world. This will restore fairness to the American people, Trump declared. For the first time, our citizens will see healthcare costs fall in ways never imagined. This will also save the U.S. government trillions of dollars over time. This isn't Trump's first attempt to tackle high drug prices. In 2020, he signed several executive orders targeting Medicare Part B drug pricing, though those efforts were blocked in court. Pharmaceutical companies opposed the measures, citing potential market disruption. Trump also reiterated plans to impose tariffs on imported pharmaceuticals to push manufacturers to return production to the U.S. Once we announce major tariffs, companies will move their operations back here because we're the biggest market, he said during a recent Republican fundraiser. By combining aggressive pricing reforms with new trade strategies, Trump says this executive order could mark a turning point in the healthcare industry and in the fight for affordable medicine.